Hello, this is Hero from Leathercraft School. Welcome to day 11 of beginner course. Over the past few videos, we've covered how to use an Edge Beveler to shape the edge of leather. By now, you probably practice a lot and getting comfortable with it. But how's the blade of your Edge Beveler holding up? If it's starting to feel uncomfortable when beveling compared to when it was new, this video is for you. Keeping a sharpness of Edge Beveler is crucial for achieving clean cut. Every crafter has the approach to sharpening frequency, but personally, I sharpen my Edge Beveler very often. After every use, I give it a quick touch-up at the end of the day. Today, I will show you how to keep the Edge Beveler sharp. First, I use metal polish and sewing thread, specifically a polish called Picaro Care. However, any metal polish will work fine. Let's go through the process with this polish and sewing thread. To start, apply a small amount of the polish to the thread, like one you'd see for hand stitching. Once the polish is rubbed into the thread, place the thread along one side of the Edge Beveler blade, holding it in place with your thumb. Then, put the thread across the blade 6 to 10 times to sharpen it. Once you finish one side, repeat the same process on the other side of the blade. Now that both sides of the blade are sharpened, so let's test it out. You can see that even though my Beveler isn't a high-end one, by regularly maintaining it, I can keep the cutting like it's brand new, even after 2 years of use. If after following these steps, the blade still feels unsharpened, you can also use sandpaper to get it back to optimal sharpness. I recommend using a 1200 degrees waterproof sandpaper with a few drops of sewing machine oil. First, spread the oil onto the sandpaper and fold it. And then, sharpen the Edge Beveler by brushing it 10 times in a single direction towards the edge. Please repeat this on the other side. After that, give it a final sharpen with the thread and the metal polish. Repeat this on the other side. This method has always worked well for me. A sharpness of blade and proper technique, which we covered in previous video, are equally essential, so make sure not to skipping this sharpening step. That's all for today's video. I've included a link to the metal polish I used in this video in the description below, so please check it out. Thank you for watching until the end. If you enjoyed today's video, please give that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.